You ever sit at the dinner table and think, wow, this country's got way more drama than the food does flavor? From prices going up to stores shutting down, it feels like every meal turns into a news report lately. So I thought, why not turn this dinner table drama into something beautiful? And y'all voted, and the winner of the mystery theme bag challenge number 3, can I get a drum roll please, is the dinner table drama bag, inspired by actual table decor. So this one is going from centerpiece to statement piece. Now let's take a look at this. This Ralph Lauren table runner online is at least 50 bucks or more. But tell me why I found one that looks almost exactly the same at Hobby Lobby for under 20 bucks. Don't sleep on Hobby Lobby seasonal sale. So here's me walking through Hobby Lobby right before I spot the runner. The colors, the texture, it just screams classy with a little side eye. You know, like your aunt at Thanksgiving. Once I brought it home, I turned this table runner into a fully functional bag. I used most of the table runner to make the main portion of the bag, and then I used the stars to make a flap. But the closure for the bag, I used some of the stripes that I had left to make a little closure on the front of the bag, and I also used some of the stripes to make the strap. It's strong enough to carry all your daily essentials and maybe even a little bit of family tea. The dinner table drama messenger bag. So I can see this bag for the 4th of July party, a barbecue. I just think it's a really cute little messenger bag. You can just throw stuff in it and just wear it every day. It could be a little work bag. I just thought it was really, really cute. So let's get right into how I made it. It's from table runner to head turner. It's just super cute. I made a long strap for it so you can wear it like a messenger bag. But yeah, I thought she was super stylish. So if you love this challenge, drop a comment below and let me know, what do you think the next theme should be? Or we should just pull one from the mystery theme jar. And if you've ever witnessed some dinner table drama, share your story. I might just name a bag after it.